Okay, back to the discussion on managing your emotions and managing your frustrations. So, most of the time, when you have an argument with someone or heated discussion, you have that feeling of frustration, anger, perhaps because you feel like your point has not been put across or you have not been understood, or whatever reasons you have that feelings of frustrations. And when you leave the room, you realize that you have not let go of these feelings of frustrations and anger. And maybe when you go back, you try out various techniques that you have maybe heard of or thought to relieve this anger, stress, and anxiety. But you'd like to know whether you've truly got rid or overcame these negative emotions about that particular incident. So one good way to test whether you have really let go or forgiven the person, or just really truly let the incident pass, is to go back to that particular place that you have actually had that argument or that incident. So when you go there, back to the location, you just test any part of your body feels different compared to when you are relaxed. For example, you feel any tension in your arms, tension in your throat, you feel the blood circulating a bit faster. So if you do have any kind of changes in your body sensation, is probably a sign that you're still feeling have that feelings of anger and frustration and anxiety. So you have not fully actually gotten over that incident. So what that means is you need to uh, consider further techniques and further self-improvement to overcome feelings of anger, frustrations, and anxiety. So remember, you need some help, always ask for help, do your own research, and if you think that you can handle it, try your best.